안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 김락준입니다. Today I will teach you Korean advanced grammar. Pattern name is 이를테면. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Kim Lakjun. Okay. Let's start this pattern called 이를테면. Okay. Okay. So, what is the disclaimer of this 이를테면? It is an adverbial conjugative meaning 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 so to say, or for instance, okay. Okay, very good. So basically the meaning of this pattern is so to say or for instance, like for example. Okay, simply this in English meaning is for example. Okay. Iralthemian, this is in Korean and this is in English. Okay. Meaning is same. Okay. Let's take example. First example. Let's take first example. Okay. First example is, okay, how is it, for instance, if we place an order for 1,000 units. Okay. So how is it, for instance, if we place an order for 1,000 units? Okay. So 이를테면 1,000 settle 주 주문하면 어떻게 됩니까? 어떻게 됩니까? Okay. So here 이를테면 means for, I'll explain you later. Okay. So let me take one more example. Next example, second example. Okay. Okay. For instance, as you and I are brothers. So they are one family. Okay, good. So how you will write this in Korean? This sentence in Korean, 이를테면, 너와 형제인 것 것처럼 구달도 Han, Kha, Jok, Ida. Okay? Okay, good. Let's take one more example. Third example. Is it okay if that work is done by somebody else? For instance, me. Okay. Okay. So how you will say in Korean? Kuil or kuiral. Okay. Dharan. Dharan saram. Kuiral dharan saram. Iral themion. Jhega. Jhega hamian. Hamian when. When. Chan gesam nikah. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Let me again. I'll teach you. Okay. Let me take me the another pen. This one. Okay. Or I should take this one. Okay. That's good. Very good. Okay. So here you are learning about the pattern Iral-Themion. Okay. So we are learning about Iral-Themion. Okay. This pattern. Okay. Iral-Themion. It is an adverbial conjugative meaning, so to say, or for instance. Okay. Or you can say for example. Okay. For example. So how to use this pattern? Here I have explained you about writing the sentence in English and then in Korean. Okay. How is it, for instance, if we place an order for 1,000 units? Okay. So Iral-Themion, for instance. Okay. Iral-Themion, for instance. Okay. 1,000 Sethral. 1,000 units, right? 1,000 units. Jumun, order. Hamyan, if we place. Okay, if we place. Myon is if. Okay, myon is if. Ha means to do. So, ottokhe demnika. How is it? How is it? Okay, how is it? Ottokhe demnika. Okay, understood? Well, very good. Okay. So now next one. Next example. So, for instance, as you and I are brothers, so they are one family. Okay. Iral-Themion. Okay. For instance, Iral-Themion, Noah, Youngjae, Gotcharam, Kudaldo, Ankajokida. Okay. For instance, Iral-Themion, Noah, Youngjae. Noah means I. Hyungjae is you. Okay. Or Hyungjae means brothers. Okay. Brothers. Noah and Hyungjae here. You and I means brother, big brother. Okay. Gotcharam means like they are. So they are one family. Gotcharam Kudal. The Han Kajok. Han Kajok is one family. Okay. Han Kajok is one family. Ida. Okay. Okay. Good. Next. Next is it okay if that work is done by somebody else, for instance, me? So, is it okay? Okay. So, if that work, kuiral, okay, kuiral is that work, okay, is done by somebody. Dharan saraman, dharan sariral, okay, dharan saram, okay, dharan saram, somebody. Iral okay, for instance, Iral jega, me, hamyan, konchan gesam nika, if it is okay, 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 friends, I hope you understand this class. We'll see you in the next class, and I hope you enjoy the class today. And we'll see you in the next class. Down so manapsida and yogi kesayo kamsahamnida. If you have any doubt, if you have any questions, you can comment in the box and you can chat with us. Okay, so we will see you in the next class. And yogi kesayo kamsahamnida. Down so manapsida.